If you didn't know, I'm a software engineer, and more often than not in many big companies, we have offshore employees. And in my case, I have some colleagues in India, so I thought it would be a great idea to travel nearly 10,000 kilometers all the way to surprise one of my colleagues. This is Uma, she's a tester on my team. We've also never ever met in person, and only spoken online before. So one day I asked her, is it okay if I could visit you in India? And I don't think she thought I was ever going to come because she said yes. But with me, you need to be careful what you wish for because I stick to my word. And this is how the journey began.
Hopped up the plane. It's like 11 p.m. It's like an hour late. It's the bus, man. People might think I'm very odd right now, but apparently my hotel is like an hour away from where my colleague lives. Shit. Maybe I should book another hotel. Well, I might do that for one night. We'll see. In the meantime, I need to get some sleep. I did not know this was the case. Alright, so today is the day of surprising my Indian colleague. We're in Chennai. I was thinking of buying her something, but maybe I'll buy something tomorrow. Right now, dude, this place is wild. I'm gonna get scammed wherever I go. It's not easy trying to find something to buy. I'll try to find some flowers somewhere. I don't know what's going on, but I need to hop in the car. Hopefully an Uber will take me because the Uber has been notorious for not like taking people and just like leaving us there. Alright, so we hopped in the tuk-tuk, the auto, and we're doing a last minute mission to try and find some flowers. Oh man, this is crazy. Alright, so I've made my way to Prince Plaza. What the hell, this place is whack. But apparently there's some flowers in here. I'm probably gonna get scammed, so we'll see how this goes. Alright, so I want to buy some flowers. How much is this? Oh. Oh. Amazing. How much is this? 550. 450. Let me think. Oh my god, there's so many options here. Roses might be a bit too romantic because I'm just a colleague. Let me think. Roses for mother? Isn't this love? I don't really know what's going on here, man. At least the price said the price. So 350. That's some cheap roses if I've ever seen any. We'll take it. Alright, my guys are wrapping the flowers up, maybe to keep us low key, which I appreciate. Very honest guy. Val Flora, if you're ever here in Chennai, this is the spot. We've secured the flowers. Now it is time to try and get an Uber to drive us an hour to where my colleague lives. Man, people have been cancelling on me all last minute, so I hope this actually works.
So after a while, we finally arrived to my colleague's house and her partner greeted me. I didn't exactly film the first interactions because it's pretty weird vlogging the second you meet someone for the first time. But regardless, this is what happened.
We have arrived. Oh my goodness. This is my colleague Uma. This is her partner. I bought this for you.
Hey, thank you.
I don't know if you'll like it, but there's some flowers here.
Then straight away they were feeding me lunch and the hospitality was so nice.
Alright, got some of this stuff. Some sweet stuff. I'm gonna give it a try. There's a lot of sugar, but it tastes delicious. Did you make this yourself?
No.
Oh, okay.
If weekends means I would have prepared, but...
Oh, okay. No worries, no worries.
Yeah, that's why.
Wow. So this is chicken biryani?
Yeah.
I'm sure it's good. Alright, this is a lot. I probably can't eat this much. I'll try my best. Thank you very much. Now we have KFC.
We don't know whether he will eat that or
Oh, I will. This is delicious.
So I asked my husband, but we order KFC as well. KFC chicken.
Wow.
Yeah.
We have some Indian KFC. Wow.
Biryani is mainly for, Muslim people.
Right.
They used to prepare delicious.
I see. Would you eat biryani? Or would you eat something else?
Husband, no. If you
Yeah.
give biryani daily, he will eat.
Oh, okay. Remy said that he wants your palak paneer recipe.
Oh, paneer, yeah. Cottage cheese, no.
Do you cook that often?
My kids like it.
Oh, right.
So night, when did you reach here?
We landed at like 11 p.m. It took me ages to negotiate with the taxi driver, and then 900 rupees to my hotel. Not too bad, I think.
How much you are paying for the hotel?
Not much. Well, it's like, I think for 3 nights, it's like 4,700. My main purpose here is to visit you guys, not to be in a luxurious hotel,
What type of place you are looking for?
That's a great question. Honestly, I'm happy to go wherever you guys want to go. If you guys want to eat food, I'm happy to eat food.
No, actually,
Anything local, I'll do local things. I already saw the Taj Mahal, so there's no pressure.
the place which we are going right now is
Yeah.
it's an ancient temple. It's more than 2000 years old temple.
Wow. That sounds cool.
It's called a Shishon temple.
Shisho Temple. So this is called a dhoti. We got the dhoti outfit. Dhoti.
You don't have a reverse camera.
Mine doesn't have reverse camera either. I took a girl on a date
Oh, okay.
and she saw my car and then she laughed at me. So this is normal weather for you.
Yeah.
Do you ever get cold in Chennai?
December, January.
December, January. How cold does it get?
25.
25.
Yeah. I never seen that sort of snow and all I never seen in my
Oh
lifetime.
my goodness. Wait, so do you ever wear like a jacket?
You won't enter coconut?
Alright, I'll have a coconut. What, these are safe to drink, right?
Yeah.
Not gonna lie, I was pretty scared because I haven't tried any street food at all, and I just don't want any stomach problems.
Oh wow, thank you very much. Wow. That's delicious. Wait, so in India, what does the horn mean? Like, does it mean you're overtaking, or does it mean like
It's like to give me away.
give me away? What happens if I don't give you away? You just keep going.
We then went to an ancient town where the Chinese and Indian leaders met, and I'm just going with the flow and soaking up the cool sights.
Alright, so we're at this awesome place right now. Don't know what it's called, don't want to butcher pronunciation. But we're trying to buy some gifts for the other people in our team. And I need to stay far away because the second I show up, the price is going to go up. But there's some cool things around here. The cinematics may be a bit lacking, but I don't want to be too much of a nuisance when Uma and her husband are looking after me, you know? So we won't try too hard on the cinematics and just enjoy our time. It's awesome being out here.
After the sightseeing, Uma brought me back to her home and I met her kids, but soon enough they wanted to take me to one of their favorite places to eat.
We're in AB's right now, and this place is freaking wild. I don't know what's going on, man. It's very loud, but let's eat. This is crazy. Is there meat in there?
Meat, I think.
Give it a go, mate. Oh, beautiful. Oh, yes, please. I don't know what that is, but it looks delicious. This is amazing. Nice chicken. This is delicious, honestly. This is very good. Some raw chicken got munched up in my mouth, so I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty anxious. But yeah, it's time for some dessert. Hopefully my stomach doesn't get cooked on this 1 hour taxi ride back. It's my first time trying coffee. That's delicious.
So as per usual, after enjoying an amazing buffet, people kept coming up to me, especially because I had a camera. So let's just say I made some friends.
Ashley, nice to meet you at AB's. Is this your favorite place to eat?
Yeah, one of them.
One of them?
Yeah.
I think it's delicious, mate. I think it's amazing.
Yeah, it's good.
And that is my Indian adventure to visit my colleague. Honestly, this was the main reason I came to India. I've worked with Uma for over 2 years now, and we obviously have never met before. We have done a bunch of work together, and it was just a pleasure to meet. She was so kind to me, so nice to me, and I hope I see her in Australia soon. If you made it this far, I appreciate you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Hello. Oh, so cute. So cute.
They're so shy, they don't want to talk to me.